Hey everybody, how's it going? Jonathan here. In this video, we're going to use OpenAI to write a script about a YouTube video about writing a script about writing scripts about OpenAI. So stick with us. It's going to be interesting. I have the prompt all set up here already. I made some alterations, so don't worry about what's down here. This is all going away. But just for some good housekeeping, we're using the OpenAI library. We've set our key to equal here. We've created a response that accepts 7 variables, the model, prompt, temperature, number of tokens, yada, yada. And then we print out the script here. So let's run this and we'll see what we get. We'll see what script OpenAI generates us about using OpenAI to write scripts. And while that's loading, I'm just going to ask you to hit the subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers as quickly as possible. As quickly without skipping any, without any shortcuts. So if you could hit the subscribe button, it would really help me out. So here's our script just loaded in the console. This is quite good, actually. This one looks a lot better. So the prompt I wrote was write me a 500-word script. 500-word script about YouTube video about using OpenAI Python library for writing a YouTube video script. Go into detail about the requirements, benefits, and drawbacks. So this is hi everyone, this is Jonathan, and today I'm going to be talking about using an OpenAI Python library for writing a YouTube video script. Whether you're an experienced programmer or a complete beginner, chances are you're looking for ways to write a YouTube script. OpenAI Python library is an open source tool that helps make scripting a breeze. It provides everything you need to get started quickly, from the library of common interfaces to advanced tools tailored to experienced coders. Before we jump into the scripting process, it's important to understand the requirements of an OpenAI Python library. To get started, you'll need to access Python 3.6 or newer. Additionally, OpenAI Python library is compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux operating systems. Once you have the necessary requirements, it's time to dive into the process of writing the script with the OpenAI Python library. To begin, you'll need to download the library. This can be done easily with pip install and links to the OpenAI Python library page. Once downloaded, you'll be walked through the whole process step by step. This will include everything from setting up the environment to importing necessary packages. After that, you'll be able to access various tools such as the code editor. This is where work comes to life. You'll be able to write the main parts of your script. OpenAI Python provides large range of helpful tools. Help you have access to tutorials, help you through the process. So many errors. The biggest benefit of using it is that you'll have access to all the information in one place. On the downside, OpenAI Python library is primarily designed for experienced coders, meaning it's overwhelming for beginners. Additionally, the library requires a solid understanding of Python to use, so novice users may find it difficult to understand how it works. Overall, OpenAI Python library is an excellent tool for quickly writing a YouTube script. It provides everything you need to get started, as well as tutorials and debugging tools to help troubleshoot errors. However, it's not suitable for novice users and requires good understanding of Python. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more great tutorials. So there's definitely some parts of this script that I would edit out. You might have heard me skipping over a couple. But all in all, this is a good scaffolding that you could probably use to make a video. And if you just want something written out to read from, just reading each one of these lines and then editing everything together in post may be a fantastic beginning of your video, and then you can insert things as needed. So thanks for watching, everybody. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more great tutorials. Bye-bye.